Kung meron kang isang washing machine at supply ng detergent powder at fabric conditioner, aandar na ang negosyo mo. Pero paano nga ba pumili ng isang strategic location para sa laundry shop mo?
I would say there is science behind it, and also there is, kumbaga, intuition. Parang, kasi the science is, of course, you have to analyze if there's a residential area, yung market mo, if it's a condo or if it's a subdivision, a village, kung meron nearby, then that's good. Really, really good. Kasi ibig sabihin nandyan yung market mo. Another is, if there's already a laundry shops around the area, that means may mga customers na in the area. And for our laundry shops, tinitingnan din namin yung accessibility ng customers namin to go to our shop. So, ibig sabihin, hindi kailangan super highway or yung traffic na yung area. Kasi if it's highway, parang ang hirap punta sa shop mo. And if it's traffic naman, parang mahahassle na, ay, wag na tayo dyan kasi mata-traffic lang tayo. What we do, actually, pag nagtitingin kami ng location, pupunta kami in the morning, tapos pupunta din kami sa gabi. As in, gabi talaga. Kasi pwedeng sa gabi, iba pala yung nangyayari sa lugar. So, meron palang, kunyari, meron palang nightlife pala pag gabi. So, yun, tinitingnan namin yun. Or kaya, sa morning pala, sobrang tahimik yung area, walang pong dumadaan. So, these things.
Tinitingnan natin dyan ay traffic ng tao, lalo na sa ganitong business. Ang mga labada, mabigat yan. So, kung iisipin mo yung market mo na naglalakad lang, dapat yung accessible to commuting. Kung ano naman, medyo high class, yung may parking, yung mga ganun ba?
So, nung nakita din namin na it would be easy to put up, kasi all you have to do, hindi mo naman kailangan ng madaming inventory. You just need machines, a set of machines siguro, and then tao. And I think yung we started, kami lang din kasi. So, hindi kailangan ng madaming tao. So, yun, ang number one factor for us is it's easy to put up.
Mahalagang ingredients ng tagumpay sa negosyo ang desire, skills at knowledge about the business. Narito ang mahalagang kaalaman tungkol sa laundry shop.
To put up a laundry business, yun, kailangan mo ng machines. Kasi ang core business talaga natin is washing, di ba? So, very important ang washing machine. Now, your washing machines will give you the most or the least cost. Kumbaga, sobrang tipid dapat yung mapoproduce ng machine mo. Kasi ito yung meat ng business eh. Kasi dati, when we started, kumuha kami ng top loading. Pag yung machine, gaganon mo, bubuksan mo on top. So yun, ang downside naman, pag if it's top loading, ang dami-dami mong water na kailangan. And when you need a lot of water, you also need a lot of chemicals. Kasi kumbaga, hindi potent, kumbaga yung gamit mo, yung supplies, yung detergent, your Fabcon, because of the water, na-dilute siya. And also, yung electricity niya is mas malaki ang consumption niya with that kind of machine. So we got this front loading. It just requires very little water kasi iba yung system niya. And kailangan we have to study. Right now, we are piloting isang shop namin na pag-aralan even the water sa area. Kasi bawat area, iba-iba din yung quality ng water. So you have to understand. Like the one we have in Cebu, sobrang hard yung water nila. So, we have to adjust the formulation. With yung years of experience namin, no, we have also tried a lot of parang companies and mga suppliers. So, I think the number one na very good factor to look into kung papasok ka sa laundry is to really have a good partnership with your suppliers. So, aside from, of course, you have to think of the quality kung if you're talking about detergent or yung mga ginagamit natin na supplies, partnership is very important because in our case, we can communicate our need to the supplier, and with that, parang there's a collaboration, there's a cooperation.
Ang branches namin, 30 right now, including yung mga in construction. Actually, ang pinapride ng Quickly ng sarili niya sa trial and error during the first 3 years. Kasi ang first branch namin, 2011 in Valenzuela, with our commercial washers and dryers. And then, after 3 years, nag-expand na kaya pala natin ng ganitong business. Proven concept siya na mag-work para sa bansa natin. Alam na namin kung ano yung mga nag-work, sa mga hindi nag-work. Tapos, yung ngayon nga, yung mga 30 branches na yon, pwede nang i-franchise through replicating what we know. So ngayon, yung mga 30 branches na yon, sure na kami na wala nang masyadong risk pagdating sa business. I feel natural na rin yun sa naging experience ng nag-found kami, ng executive director namin. Kasi we truly believe na ang laundromat business, kailangan ng Pilipinas yan. Kasi nagde-develop na tayo ngayon. Yun nga, sabi kanina, 50 years behind na tayo. So it's about time na magkaroon na ng ganitong service sa Philippines.
Ngayong alam mo na kung paano humanap ng strategic location para sa iyong laundry shop, kailangan namang malaman mo kung saan ka makakakuha ng murang supplies. At syempre, kailangan mapag-isipan mo rin ang iyong target market.
And the next thing you need to prepare is yourself. Sa aming pagbabalik, we will give you more ideas on what to expect and what challenges you will be facing if ever you decide to open a laundry shop. Stay tuned mga kasama. Bread and Butter will be right back.